welcome on day 4 of 100 Day Accent Learning Series. Today we are going to learn 10 essential Christmas Day words with their meanings. The first word is mistletoe. In Indian accent, it is mistletoe. In British, it is mistletoe. In American, it is mistletoe. The second word for today is wreath. In Indian accent, it is wreath. In British, it is again wreath. In American accent, it is again spelled as wreath. Sometimes you may find the pronunciation of all three accents same, so do not get confused. The next word for today is bauble. In Indian accent, we spell it as bauble. In British, it is bauble. In American accent, it is bauble. The next word for today is reindeer. In Indian accent, it is reindeer. In British accent, it is reindeer. In American accent, it is reindeer. The next word for today is sleigh. In Indian, it is sleigh. In British, it is again sleigh. In American, it is again spelled sleigh. The next word for today is chimney. In Indian accent, it is chimney. In British, it is chimney. In American accent, it is chimney. The next word for today is nativity. In British accent, in American accent, it is nativity. In British accent, it is nativity. In American accent, it is nativity. The T sound in British accent has changed into D sound in American accent. The next word for today is eggnog. In Indian accent, it is eggnog. In British accent, it is eggnog. In American accent, it is eggnog. The next word for today is tinsel. In Indian accent, it is tinsel. In British accent, it is tinsel. In American accent, it is again spelled as tinsel. The last word for today is carol. In Indian accent, we spell it as carol. In British, it is carol. In American accent, it is carol. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Accent Clash with Nitish Kumar Panday. Thank you.